It's clean because there's nothing. There's nothing there. Because it's coming right off the ocean.
That looks good though with the brown tailpipe.
The brown's kind of weird. It looks like, I don't know.
Oh, you should be darker?
It should be silver. More. I mean, like a titanium color.
Stock inrunner, right? Sounds nice.
Yeah, it's all stock. Only thing I added was the burner.
How is their inrunner? Pretty sweet?
It's not bad.
Efficient?
With the 5,000 that's in there, I'll get about
4?
No, I can get 5 to 6.
Oh, nice.
If I really push it.
Yeah.
I usually come in at 4 just to be safe.
But that's what I mean. Yeah.
But I have enough to go. I have enough to go around. I stayed up for 6 minutes once. Nice. All right, let's go. Up, down.
I like the shininess.
Gear up.
Yeah, the gyro will.
See, at least that thing don't get bothered by the wind.
No, it is a little bit,
but not bad. I bet even the T-33 would do good.
T-33 doesn't see anything.
Right? Yeah.
T-33 does not care.
Is that what's his name's favorite jet, Nate?
One of them, yeah.
Right,
he likes the SG more than anything.
Is that thing fucking badass?
Yeah. Damn nose grid keeps hanging out. It always does. I'm not going to mess with it because it won't come out if I do.
Yeah. SU's got that presence, huh?
Yeah. The gear, I know. I've been
creates a lot of. Oh, dude, the burner looked great.
I've been meaning to mess with it, but if I mess with it in the air, it'll end up not coming down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's got great power, dude.
That's a bone stock too.
It's not as fast as I thought it'd be. But
I haven't really done it yet. If I stay on it, it gets faster.
Yeah. I mean, it's not F5 fast though.
No. It's quick.
It's pretty quick. Especially for a 70.
And a 70 taking a 5,000, people are like, you can fit a 5,000? Like, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it looks nice. It sounds nice too, the rush.
Yeah, the cool thing is if I chop the throttle,
yeah.
So I'll do it right here.
Sounds hella good, huh? Yeah, that's what sounds good.
It's that big cheater hole.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I like the shininess though.
Is that crazy?
Yeah, it looks like real.
That's the way it came when I got it.
You got it for like $2 bills, huh?
Yeah.
It's your type of jet too.
It's been fun. It's that damn nose gear hanging out. But
that's creating a lot of drag.
It's a lot more, yeah, because normally it's faster. It's pretty quick right now, but normally it's a lot faster. But the thrust is still there.
Definitely faster than the F-16
oh, yeah.
With the upgraded motor.
Yeah. Did you ever fly it with the Freewing motor? The Freewing rudder?
Which one?
The F-16. No, the Freewing.
The 70?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember I had 2 different ones.
Did you have the one with the stock inrunner?
Yeah, I remember I had one. No, I didn't get the upgraded one.
I've never flown one with it, so I wouldn't know.
But remember I bought 2.
I know you bought 2, yeah.
I bought the camel one, and then the camel never, it had some weird shit. It just wasn't as fast. Some weird air shit going in the ducting or something.
Could have been.
The gray one was pretty sweet.
I still have yet to finish mine.
I like how you can see the burner, like it looks scale, like during the day, you know, when you see that shit.
Because you see it right down the middle.
Right there, look.
Yeah.
You just need a like a.
This one doesn't. This one doesn't have a lens on it either.
Shake the ground like the real.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. That's what I missed.
When we saw that shit, it was shaking the ground.
Crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's set up for a landing.
Yeah, considering how little that is, it has a nice presence.
It does. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Check to see if all the gear was out. That'll be all right.
flares hella nice.
Oh, really nice. Yeah, I had to cut down the elevator just a little bit. Oh, see, it always tips.
Yeah.
But I like it here because it's not going to scratch it. Where I've been, it's been an asphalt runway, so.
Ryan's hella cool. I like Ryan.
Yeah, I met him at the meeting. I forgot.
He's cool as fuck.
And then Dave bought a burner for me.
I texted Dave to see if he wanted to come out. He's
He
like,
can't
say
come-
hi to Ray.
Yeah, he can't come during the week, but
Yeah.
he
busted his ass, dude.
he bought a burner for me.
Oh, he got the SB32.